Is your car's oil light flashing, but the oil level is full? Let's dive into what could be causing this and how to fix it. First, it might be an oil pressure problem. Low oil pressure can cause the light to flash even if the oil is full. This could be due to a failing oil pump, a clogged oil filter, or blocked oil passages. Next, a faulty oil pressure sensor might be the culprit. If the sensor is defective, it could send incorrect signals to the dashboard, causing the oil light to flash. Electrical issues can also trigger the oil light. Damaged or corroded wires and connectors in the system that control the oil light can lead to false warnings. In older engines, excessive wear can lead to lower oil pressure. Worn bearings and other engine components can cause oil pressure to drop, triggering the oil light. Using oil with the wrong viscosity for your engine can affect oil pressure. If the oil is too thick or too thin, it might not circulate properly, leading to pressure issues. If the engine is overheating, the oil can become too thin to maintain proper pressure. Overheating can be caused by a malfunctioning cooling system or low coolant levels. A failing oil pump may not be able to maintain the required oil pressure, even if the oil level is adequate. Have a mechanic check the oil pump and internal engine components if needed. To diagnose and address the problem, use a mechanical oil pressure gauge to check the oil pressure. Compare the readings with the manufacturer's specifications. Inspect the oil pressure sensor and its wiring for any signs of damage or corrosion. Replace the sensor if it's faulty. Ensure that you are using the correct type and viscosity of oil recommended by the vehicle manufacturer. Refer to your car owner's manual for the correct oil to use for your car. If the oil is old, dirty, or degraded, perform an oil change. Ensure the engine is not overheating. Check the coolant level and the condition of the cooling system. Address any overheating issues promptly. If the oil pressure is consistently low, the oil pump might be failing. Excessive engine wear can also cause low oil pressure. Have a mechanic inspect and potentially rebuild or replace worn components. Inspect the wiring and connections related to the oil pressure sensor and oil light. Repair or replace any damaged or corroded wires. If you're not comfortable performing these checks and repairs yourself, it's best to take your vehicle to a qualified mechanic. Ignoring a flashing oil light can lead to severe engine damage, so prompt diagnosis and repair are essential.